Hello everyone, welcome to Apple Box. Today I am here with two stories which will tell you the importance of time in your life. So let's begin. Once there was a boy named Rakshit who wanted to play all the time. His mother was tired of telling him to do his homework. Every evening after school, Rakshit would play until it grew dark. One morning, instead of going to school, Rakshit went to a nearby field. I hope I find someone to play with me, he said to himself. Ah, there's a farmer. Good morning, uncle. Will you play with me? Asked Rakshit. Not now. I am busy sowing seeds, replied the farmer. Can't you do that some other time? Said Rakshit. The farmer shook his head. The rainy season is coming, he explained, and I have to sow the seeds before that. If I am late, the seedlings will not sprout. Then I will have no food. Rakshit looked around for someone else with whom he could play. Observing some black ants scurrying about, he said hopefully, Hello, would you like to play with me? Where is the time? We are collecting food for the rainy months, said the leader of the ants. But the rainy months are a long way off, said Rakshit. You can collect your food later. If we play now, we will not be able to collect enough. Come back when the rains start. Then we will play with you, said the ant leader. Next, Rakshit saw some bees. Bees, will you play with me? He pleaded. Sorry, we are busy collecting honey, said the bees, not pausing in their task as they spoke. The sun is shining. It's a day to play, Rakshit told to the bees. It's on sunny days that the fields are full of flowers. If we don't collect nectar now, how will we fill our hives before the rains come? Asked the bees. Nobody knows how to have fun, Rakshit thought to himself. He played on his own until his stomach began to rumble. When Rakshit returned home, his mother scolded him. There are only a few days left for your exams. Why don't you study? Rakshit, however, continued to waste time. When he got his results, his were the lowest marks in class. He ran home crying. I had no time to study. What could I do? He said to his mother. Rakshit's mother took him to the field. There, Rakshit saw the farmer, the ants, and the bees. They were enjoying the dark clouds and cool breeze. Having finished their work on time, they were now having fun. I wish I had followed their example, said Rakshit. If I had studied when I had to, I would have been happy today. You can do better next time, said Rakshit's mother. Make up your mind to start studying today for your next exams, which are not far away. Rakshit nodded. I have learned my lesson, Mummy. The values which you get from this story is time is precious. We should not waste time. Remember the saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. Always respect time by doing things on time, correctly, and carefully, not postponing things. Valuing others' time. Do not make anyone wait for you. Here is an incident which I would like to share with you. It was a sunny Sunday morning when I got the news that after a good performance in my drawing competition, I was selected to appear for its round 2, which was going to be held in 6 months' time. Well, I was expecting this, but 6 months' time is something I never thought of. I quickly read all the details and found out that only 2 types of drawings were added to the second round. I felt quite comfortable and relaxed. Time started to fly, and I reached the day before the competition without a single drawing practice. I was very confused and frightened. I went through the 2 new types but wasn't able to practice it. Without any preparation, I went for the competition. Honestly, it was one of my nightmare days when my mind was simply not working. It was such a bad experience that I was not able to forget about it. After this incident, activeness became my motto, and I decided never to be lazy again. So friends, I request everyone to manage your time well. Do not waste time. Use your time wisely. Time is precious. Once the time gets wasted, you cannot get it back. So, plan your time and work accordingly. If you like this video, share it with your friends, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.